Hello everyone and welcome once again to Darren's Data.tv. So today I just want to show you how to install external KNIME extensions that aren't already listed in from the list of extensions that you already have when you want to install new KNIME extensions. So see here we have available software. So uh, we have a couple of KNIME extensions that we already have access to when you have KNIME installed. But say you need other KNIME extensions that aren't already listed here. For example, if I type in Selenium now, Selenium for automation and web scraping, right, I will just get a couple of nodes. So as you can see, I only have these nodes here showing me they probably have Selenium nodes. Like this collection of nodes probably have Selenium nodes within them, and rightly so because this is Chromium browser, so probably. But there might be some other nodes that aren't readily accessible with your version of KNIME when you install KNIME. So I want to show you how to add external nodes from other node sources. Over here, this is the nodes that package of nodes that I would like to install, Selenium nodes. And main reason why I'm using Selenium nodes, in case you're wondering, is because I actually wanted to use KNIME for automation and mainly web scraping, and I couldn't do them within nodes that were readily available on KNIME analytic platforms, and even the ones I tried to install didn't really work. So what I'll just do, I'll drop all the links used in the description of this video. So I'll just copy this uh, link here, and then I will oh no, not that link actually, be sure. Yeah, so depending on the KNIME analytics platform that you're using, you have to copy one of these links. I'm using the latest 5.4, so this is the link I will copy, and this is what I'll add to be able to install the nodes that I need. So go over to preferences, and when you click on preferences, you move into install and update, and then you pick up, you check your available software sites. So these are the available software sites. See, a lot of them are KNIME owned, and then you have KNIME community extensions, the ones from experimental. That's not ticked yet. You can tick that if you want. So I'm just going to come in here to add Selenium nodes for myself. So I just type in the name I want to call it, Selenium nodes, and then paste in the link, and I can add. So like a lot of things in KNIME, you have to apply and close, and once that's done, then you can also come in here now and click install extensions to be able to see the extensions that now you see, if I type in Selenium, I will get a lot more nodes than what showed up before. So here you can see, before I only had the KNIME extensions, Chromium browser, legacy. Now I have a lot more Selenium nodes that I need, and you could just install them like you would normally. So for this, because I want it all, I will just go ahead and click select, go to next, and next again. So something very important about Selenium nodes is they it has a license, and paid license. So we'll get to that at a later part of this video. So you have to accept the license, and then finish installing. uh, Remember, select all of it. I think you can leave as it is, and then just select the seleniumnodes.com and trust selected, and you're good. So once it's done installing, KNIME will ask you to restart so that you can apply the software updates that you've just added. So I'll just restart. So now I have restarted KNIME and then see a message here showing me no license specified. Please obtain a license and enter it on the Selenium preference page in order to use the Selenium node. So basically I need license keys, kind of like what you have with Microsoft 365 and other computer tools. So let me just maximize. So what I have to do is go over to the page where I have the Selenium nodes. Now you could click on the free trial license, and here you see all the more details about the Selenium nodes that you have. And to get the free trial license, which is what we're interested in here, you could just type in the email that you want to use. I'm going to use this email because I already done it before, and you can only get this once, just so you know. So click on get free trial. So here's the mail I received from them, and this is what I'm interested in: begin license to end license. So I copy that, and when I copy that, I go over back to my KNIME Analytics platform. Okay, I'll skip these updates for now. So here I just have to come preferences once more and then click on under the KNIME tab, which was already open. I just click on Selenium and I see here no licenses available, so I just click on enter licenses and paste, and you see here already knows that, oh, this is the person that we gave this license, and it just shows me when the license is going to expire, and I click on OK. Leave everything as is and apply and close, and then you should be good to go. So just to show you a couple of notes, we could open a new KNIME file, and then I think I prefer it as a tree. So here you can see Selenium, the nodes that we have, and voila. So I could click on start with driver, and I think you could drag and drop start with driver, and configure as you want and use the other Selenium nodes that are listed here, which I will show you how to use some in another video that I would upload pretty soon, and you'll get to see the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was pretty informative. If there are any questions that you have, please remember to drop in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy KNIME.